Good day. So for today's demo or tutorial, no, so I'll teach you how to use 3D tool. So 3D tool to create, turning your, let's say, an image, no. So if you want to use this as your, let's say, concept design, so and then the design is only uh draw it in front view, then you're having difficulty in working it quarter view. So in perspective, like either 2 point or 3 point. So ano yung pwede mong gawin, no? So para makuha mo yung exactly yung parang perspective niya. So yung proportion tama, placement tama. So ano yung mga tools na pwede mong gamitin sa Photoshop? So I think so for some parang this is very old na, but it might help you, no, to create designs, especially for let's say like that house uh, can work it in um, front, pero how about in uh, 2 point perspective or 3 point perspective? Madali lang naman yan. If you have an image already, ang pwede mong gawin dyan, first, no, to cut it out. Kung anong shape, I think it must be layered if you want to make precise na parang pareho dun sa pagkaka-sculpt niya dun sa house. So, dapat iba-ibang layer siya. Then you render it in different 3D. Pero kung gusto mo lang makuha yung base niya and then later you just add or refine it, overpaint it. So it's okay na parang one layer na lang. So dito, ang gagawin ko, kung halimbawa ay hindi na ako muna magpipaint. So gusto ko yung the rest paint siya. The front view is not. Kasi yun maging base mo. You can use the image or you do it parang as scratch. So you start from talaga from the very beginning. Kunin mo na lang yung color ano niya, parang palette and then repaint or paint it. Dito gagamitin ko is the image. Ika-copy paste ko 'yan, no? So I have my separate yung house dun sa image. So para magawa ko siya, I have already front. How about you? Quarter view. So in three in So, puwedeng gawin niyo diyan siyempre 'pag mano-mano, kailangan follow the guide para mas makuha niyo. Then you sketch it out, sketch niyo siya. Tapos kung 2 point siya, kung 2 point, kung 1 point or kung 2 point, add mo, parang gano'n, house. Pero, I mean, ano ka pa niyan, parang mag-a-adjust ka pa, pipi-paste, ipapareho mo siya dun sa front view. Now, there's an option where you can easily create that and overpaint siya. So, ang gagawin mo lang, having your copy, you go to your 3D and then select new 3D extrusion from selected layer. Pag select mo yun, so makikita nyo mag-change yung control from the 3D to. And then now, you can now go around and check. Di ba? So, mas madali. Then, alam mo na ngayon kung saan yung setup or yung 2 point nasa ano, ah, 2 point or 3 point. So, depende din sa gusto mo mangyari. So, dito, um, if you want to have just a standard yung view, okay na yan. Or kung gusto mo naman mabago, pwede ka pumunta rito. You can change the extrusion, no? So, kung ganyan ang gusto mong look, pero hindi naman syempre ganyan, diba? So, extrude mo pa. Pwedeng ganyan. Or, pwede rin naman siyang, meron siyang parang, alam mo yun, yung parang ganyan, mag-adjust. Tapos, pa rin yung mga changes pwede mong dagdagan. So, for this option. But kung wala naman, ito lang ang papalitan mo. No? Adjust ko yung so, and back to the default control. So, by this time, pwede nyo nang gawin dyan is to capture yung kanyang, ito, halimbawa, yung color niya is pagka-brown. So, i-apply mo siya dito. Yan. Tapos, paint mo siya. Brown. Paint. Ang ganyan. Just basta yung so, overpaint na siya, no? Tapos dito. So, natin yung laso para sakto dun sa wall, side, paint. Yung mga parang texture niya, ano na lang yun. Kumbaga parang ikaw na mag-ano. Tapos yung grass, effect, pa, effect. Hindi nag-mix. Problem. Gosh. Just na lang. And same with the other part, no? Para hindi photo. But this is called already parang pot. So, from this point, pwede mo siyang parang i-adjust. Pero bago ko mag-adjust, siyempre, since ito, once na nakulayan mo na yan, you need to fix it. So, parang merge or patent. Okay? So, that's how you, ano, no, parang turning your concept front uh, line 3D in Photoshop. Okay? Yun lang naman.